being brought closer to land. But wait, the waters are rough. We may be pushed ashore. Shh, stop. There. What is the meaning of this? Tamae tamaita isao tutuila. Ole nei ole au malanga o nu'u. Api o maya kato malanga paatasi. Come, Lady Tama. Your people prepares to pursue its malo, its conquest. Come, be our guide, be our company, be our protector. Here, we have prepared for you your attire. Look, it's the lady's garments. What do they mean? Here, Our Lady. First, your headdress, Lautuinga, the crown of a Samoan taupo, made of the unbounded new tree, the palm tree, symbol of the South Pacific's profound wisdom, crafted by the timeless insight of your women, Lady you are. This work of human hands now consummates this relationship with the ancestors. Today, all of Tutuila and Manua may speak of your infinite beauty. They will proclaim you protector of these lands when they see your headdress. Look, they threw the headdress in the water. Watch how it soars above these waters. Your Baisa Ele, your bathing water, made of the Mosa Oi plant. Its roots drained by the integrity of your villages. Its leaves blessed by the power of your elders. Now your essence will foretell the approaching of nobility. Now your fragrance will envision the arrival of beauty. Can you smell that sweet fragrance? Wow. And last, your garments, made of the purest of trees, voa, softened by the touch of water, pounded by the strength of your men, minutely ironed by the touch of your women. Your brother's son will assure its trustworthiness. Your elders will then prudently tell of your island stories in the forms they depict on this now sacred cloth. Behold the siapo, Samoa's la'eoleola, garment of life, one that we welcome the life of a newborn in, one that we bid farewell, soifua, to a life moving on to the next. Look, observe how the siapo is greeted by the waters. Watch how the waves accompany the siapo towards the lady's